it can see the moon and other planets like Jupiter and Mars? Yes, we use the telescope. Actually, there are two types of telescope: reflecting and refracting telescope. But for now, we want to share with you guys about refracting telescope. The physics principle that involved in refracting telescope is refraction of light. So, what is refraction of light? Light changes direction when crossing a boundary from one medium to another. This is called refraction, and the angle the outgoing ray makes with the normal is called the angle of refraction. To get the value of angle refraction, we will use Snell's law in our calculation.
Do you know how a telescope works? What happens when the light passes through the lens? Let me tell you. Firstly, this is the tube of telescope. It has two lenses. The big one is the objective lens and the smaller one is eyepiece. Lens used in telescope is convex lens, since it can converge or gather the light that passing through it at one point we call as the focal point. Objective lens used to collect as much light to form a brighter image, or we can say to bring the faraway object closer to us, and eyepiece used for magnifying the objects. That's why moon seem bigger. When the light from the stars, from the suns, or anything else in the spaces coming in parallel from infinity passing through the primary convex lens, it will converge into the focal point, then diverge again into the eyepiece lens. So, the viewer eyes receive a parallel light. You can see the object from far away with greater magnification.
Do you know how to calculate the magnification of telescope? Wait, no? So there are actually many people that don't know how to calculate the magnification of telescope, because I get this question often. So let me share with all of you how to calculate the magnification of telescope using a simple equation. Firstly, you need to know what is the focal length of the telescope and the eyepiece. You will see the information of focal length at the telescope nameplate and on the retaining ring, while for the eyepiece, you can see the focal length at here. Okay, next, to calculate the magnification of a telescope, you need to know this simple equation, which is magnification is equal to focal length of telescope divided by focal length of eyepiece. So, for Inspire 80 AZ telescope, it has a focal length of 900 mm and it comes with two eyepieces which are 20 mm and 10 mm. Using the 20 mm eyepiece, we substitute it into the equation to calculate the magnification of the telescope. So, magnification of telescope equal to 900 mm divided by 20 mm, and it resulting the telescope's magnification is 45 times. While using 10 mm eyepiece, 900 divided by 10, it will resulting a magnification of 90 times. With the high magnification, it will provide the best view.
Phew, that's a lot to take. But hey, do you guys know where is the largest refracting telescope is? Check the answer on part 2. See you soon, buddies!